Hello everyone. I am back with another topic, that is central bank and the credit control. We are already familiar with the word credit control. There are two types of credit control, how the RBI can function it within the country to control the inflation and deflation situations. So what do you mean by credit control? Credit control is an important tool for which is it is an important tool. It is an important tool of monetary policy which is used by the RBI to control the demand and supply of money and flow of credit in an economy. So RBI keeps control over the credit created by commercial banks. So there are some objectives of a qualitative method. So the primary objective according to RBI is to control inflation and deflation situations that present in the economy, that is high economic growth with the adequate level of liquidity and maximum utilization of resources. So what are the objectives of this? To achieve the internal price stability, to achieve financial stability and stability in money market, and to achieve the stability in foreign exchange rate also. So all these points are going to explain this type of objectives to meet the financial requirement during the uh, slump economy, and maximize income output and employment in the economy, to eliminate business cycles and meet business needs, and to promote economic growth and development of the country. So they are the objectives of the country. We had already discussed about the quantitative measures of credit control like bank rate, repo rate, reserve repo rate, okay, CRR, SLR, cash reserve ratios, statutory liquidity ratio. So there are some basic methods, or we can say the instrument of credit control by RBI in quantitative term. The first one is margin requirements. So under this method, the RBI prescribes margin requirements for different type of securities, and provide the margin for requirements that commercial bank have to maintain on securities against which loans are provided to customers. So the RBI set here different margin requirements for a different type of securities. So change of in margin requirements influence the flow and the directions of credit, that is increasing or decreasing. So an increasing in margin requirements decreasing the flow of credit, while the decreasing leads to the increase in flow of credit. Okay. The next method or instrument of credit control by central bank, that is rationing of credit or credit rationing. So in credit rationing is controlling the amount of credit available for certain industrial sectors in order to ensure that all sectors get adequate amount of credit. So under this method, RBI fixes the maximum limit on loan and advances for specific categories which the commercial bank cannot exceed. That is the rationing of credit, which is decided by the RBI only. And the next instrument of credit control in by the central bank, that is moral suasion and publicity. So what do you mean by the moral suasion? Moral suasion is the method by which RBI convenes the commercial bank to undertake certain actions which are in the economic interest of the country. So under this method, the RBI requests the commercial bank to work in cooperation with the central bank in implementing its credit and monetary policies. Okay. So there are some important points in this. It helps in achieving the primary objective of controlling inflation through the price stability and the stable price level of goods and services and financial stability, that is equalization of demand for money and the supply of money. And it also is the boosting the economy by facilitating adequate flow and the volume of bank credit to the different sectors, and encourage growth of priority sector by providing adequate credit to priority sector essential for economic development. And it also encourages judicious delivery of credit by keeping check on credit granted to under seriable purpose by commercial banks. And it also encourages the judicious delivery of credit by the keeping check the credit generated by undesirable purposes of by commercial banks. So here this topic is completed, the quantitative term of the credit control by the RBI.